let's discuss about the structure of lungs. Lungs are the major part of the respiratory system. The system is divided into two parts. First is upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract includes mouth and nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, okay, and the lower respiratory tract is made up of lungs, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli, and other parts of the respiratory system, that is ribs and diaphragm. This part help our lungs to expand and contract as we breathe. Okay. Lungs lie in the thoracic cavity on the side of the heart. The thoracic cavity is separated from abdominal cavity by muscular portion called diaphragm. So thoracic cavity is separated from the abdomen cavity by this muscles called diaphragm. Okay. We know our bodies consist of three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. So lungs are located in the thorax cavity. Each lungs is enclosed in a two membrane like structure, that this is called pleura. Inside the pleura, liquid fluid is found which protect the lungs from injuries. Right lung is bigger. Right lung is bigger than the left lung. Okay. And are surrounded by sternum, means chest bone. Here it is not visible here actually. It is surrounded by the sternum. Chest bone, and rib cage on the front. You can see rib cage, ribs, rib cage on the front, and the vertebral column means vertebrae means backbone on the back. Okay, so the right lungs are surrounded by sternum and rib cage on the front and the vertebrae or backbone on the back. This bony cage helps to protect the lungs. This bony cage helps to protect the lungs, other organs in our chest. Okay, like heart also. Now, each lung is divided into into lobes. The bronchial tree, running through your lungs, and is made up of windpipe, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli.